What's up, everybody? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. This video is the unboxing of Choetech's USB-C cables for your USB Type-C devices, whether it's a smartphone, tablet, laptop. All right, so no further ado, here it is. It says Choetech, beyond your imagination, always a lot of joy. All right, Choetech is a variety of products with fun and joy to satisfy your everyday requirements. Company brands is devoted to providing a number of accessories to ease your life with fashion and joy. All right, so no further ado, let's go ahead and unbox these. Okay. All right, this is one cable, USB to USB-A. All right, USB Type-C. Okay. All right, here's another one. All right. Here's a smaller version of them. Okay. And here's another one, guys. There we have it. So this is a 4-pack. I believe the 4-pack is on Amazon for, I think, $18.99. I think you can get these for $18.99. That's how that comes in the package. Now, I kind of want to do a little setup real quick. I got my little power bank from Google, Project 5. All right. And I'm going to test it out with the Moto G6. All right. So we're going to go ahead and unwrap the small one real quick. All right. So I want this one to 2.1A. All right, this one right here. Okay. All right. We're gonna go ahead and plug this one in and see what it does. Okay. All right. Let's see. Okay, hold on just a minute. All right, there we go. It's charging 36%. Let's see what the charging levels are. That right there. Okay, go to battery. Go to extend battery. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see. Fix. All right, let's do test hardware. We'll go to battery. Okay, as you can see, the status saying charging. All right, voltage 3.7. Current charge 36%. Battery condition good. Battery temperature 84 Fahrenheit, 29 Celsius. Power source AC. All right, maximum capacity is 100%. Well, that's maximum capacity. All right. So it looks like the battery is charging. Okay, let's see how fast it charges though. Let's see. All right. Let's see what we can. Okay, so it went up to 1% already. All right, so yeah, I'm not sure if these are absolutely fast charging, but we'll have to put them to the test using my turbo charger. I'll do another video about it in a minute. But yeah, guys, this is the unboxing of USB Type-C 4-pack chargers from Choetech. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. You can get these on Amazon. I believe, like I said, I believe for $18.99. I will leave a link in the description box. Shout outs to Choetech for sending these out to me. All right. But yeah, leave your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about Choetech and their charging powers? Let's see if it charges. Okay, so it went 38%. So I guess it is fast charging. All right, there you have it. It's your boy Two Phones. Leave a comment in the comment section. Links in the description box. Deuces.